Republic to practice. Tara guys! Let's go! Tara guys! Practice lang para gumaling! Thank you nga pala sa mga in-house at mga coaches na nagtuturo po sa amin sa Rampa Republic. Especially to Sir Andy. Very proud po ako, naging member po ng Rampa Republic. In fairness po, magaling po sila magturo. Kaya kayo dyan, mag-join na din kayo sa Rampa Republic. Wow talaga, I am very proud of myself kasi nga nag-improve na ako sa modeling. Isa sa mga unang bagay na natutunan ko sa modeling is that posing is not just about looking good. It's about learning how to move your body, how to express emotions, how to work with the camera, and most importantly, how to become comfortable with yourself. Right now, I'm still learning. I'm still improving my walk. I'm still practicing my poses. I'm still working on my confidence. And I'm still building myself. At alam kong mahaba pa ang journey. Para sa mga batang kagaya ko, huwag kang matakot maging beginner. Huwag mong ikumpara ang chapter 1 mo sa chapter 10 ng ibang tao. May kanya-kanya tayong timing. Kaya pagbutihin para gumaling. That's all for now. See you in my next vlog!